Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 12, Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acids, part 1. This video contains following points: carbonyl compounds, classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Carbonyl compounds. The organic compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond called carbonyl group, and the compounds which contains carbonyl group are called carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes. In aldehydes, carbonyl carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen apart from an alkyl or aryl group. General formula RCHO, where R is a alkyl group and CHO is functional group. Examples: acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, acetaldehyde alkyl group, methyl alkyl group, and CHO functional group. In propionaldehyde, C2H5 is alkyl group, that is ethyl alkyl group, and CHO functional group. Ketones. In ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups, either identical or different. It is called ketonic carbonyl group, and the compounds are called ketones. General formula RCOR. If the alkyl groups are different, general formula RCOR dash. Examples: acetone or dimethyl ketone, which contains same alkyl group, methyl alkyl group is present in this compound. Second example, ethyl methyl ketone. Here this is ethyl alkyl group and this is methyl alkyl group, and this is functional group. Ethyl methyl ketone. Classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Classification of aldehydes. First type, aliphatic aldehydes. The compounds in which CHO group or formyl group is attached directly to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atom, are called aliphatic aldehydes. For example, acetaldehyde. In this compound, this CHO functional group is attached with this methyl alkyl group, which is sp3 hybridized, or the carbon atom in this alkyl group is sp3 hybridized. Second example, propionaldehyde. In this compound, the CHO is a functional group which is attached with this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon, and the general formula of compound is given as RCHO, which contains CO double bond and R equal to H or alkyl group. Aromatic aldehydes. The compounds in which CHO group is attached directly to an aromatic ring are called aromatic aldehydes. Let us consider the examples. The first example, benzaldehyde, in which CHO group is directly attached with aromatic nucleus, benzene. The second example, salicylaldehyde, in which CHO group is directly attached with benzene ring and one OH group is present in this compound at second position. Third example, para-nitrobenzaldehyde. This is CHO functional group which is attached to the benzene ring directly, and NO2 group is at the para position with respect to functional group, CHO functional group. Classification of ketones. First type, aliphatic ketones. The compounds in which CO group is attached to two alkyl groups are called aliphatic ketones. General formula RCOR dash, and the functional group is called oxo or ketonic carbonyl group, where R and R dash are alkyl groups which are identical or different. Simple or symmetrical ketones. The ketones in which both the alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are identical are called simple ketones or symmetrical ketones. Examples: acetone or dimethyl ketone, which contains two methyl groups attached to CO group. Second example, diethyl ketone, in which C2H5 means ethyl group attached with CO functional group from both sides. Second type, mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. The ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different are called mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. Example: ethyl methyl ketone. In this compound, methyl and ethyl, two different alkyl groups are attached to the carbonyl functional group or CO functional group. Next compound, ethyl N-propyl ketone, in which ethyl and N-propyl, these two alkyl groups are attached to CO functional group. Aromatic ketones. The compounds in which a CO group is attached to either two aryl groups or one aryl and one alkyl group are called aromatic ketones. Example: benzophenone, in which CO functional group is attached with two same phenyl groups, and the name is diphenyl ketone, in which two aryl groups are attached to CO group. Second example, in which CO group is attached with one alkyl and one aryl group. Alkyl group is methyl alkyl group and aryl group is phenyl aryl group. Name of compound is acetophenone and the other name is methyl phenyl ketone. Classification of carboxylic acids. First type, aliphatic carboxylic acids. The organic compounds in which carboxyl group is bonded to an alkyl group are called aliphatic carboxylic acids or fatty acids. Examples: formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid. Formic acid is exceptional compound in which functional group is not attached to any carbon, and the general formula is RCOOH. In this general formula, R may be hydrogen or alkyl group. Classification of carboxylic acids depending upon the number of carboxyl groups. Depending upon the number of carboxyl groups, the carboxylic acids are classified as monocarboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acids, tricarboxylic acids. The examples are propionic acid. This acid is monocarboxylic acid which contains one carboxyl group. Second example, oxalic acid. This is an example of dicarboxylic acid in which two COOH or carboxyl groups are present. Third example, citric acid in which there are three COOH or carboxyl groups are present. So, citric acid is tricarboxylic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acids. These are the compounds in which one or more carboxyl groups are attached directly to aromatic ring. First example, benzoic acid, which contains one carboxyl group directly attached with benzene ring. Second example, phthalic acid, which contains two carboxyl groups attached with the benzene ring directly with respect to ortho position. Third example, acetyl salicylic acid. Another name is aspirin, which contains one carboxyl group. Nomenclature of aldehydes. Trivial and IUPAC names. Trivial names or common names of aliphatic aldehydes are derived from the corresponding trivial name of carboxylic acids. Here, the ending of ic acid of carboxylic acid is replaced by the ending aldehyde. Example: first compound, which is obtained from formic acid. This ic and acid is replaced by aldehyde. Ic and acid is replaced by aldehyde. So, name of this compound is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. And the IUPAC name of this compound is methanol, which is obtained from methane because this compound contains one carbon atom in the form of functional group. This suffix E is replaced by Al in aldehydes. So, E of alkane with Al aldehyde is named as alkanal. Second compound, common name is acetaldehyde, and IUPAC name is ethanol. Third compound, propionaldehyde, and IUPAC name is propanol. Fourth compound, butyraldehyde, and IUPAC name is butanol. Next compound, common name isobutyraldehyde, or alpha methyl propionaldehyde. Why this alpha prefix is used? In this compound, CH3, CH, CHO, and with respect to the CHO group, the first carbon atom is called as alpha, second is called as beta. So with respect to the CHO group, to this first carbon, methyl group is attached. So common name is alpha methyl propionaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is obtained in this way. First select the carbon chain which is longest and give the numbering 1, 2, 3, and this is the side chain which is present at second carbon. So name of this compound is 2-methyl propanol. Means rule number 1, select the longest chain of carbon atom. Second rule, give the numbering to the carbon chain to get lowest possible number for functional group. Third rule, if any substituent is present to the carbon chain, then write separately the name of substituent with its position. Here the substituent is methyl group and the position of methyl group is at second carbon atom. So first position is written, then name of substituent, at the last name of parent compound which contains 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms, and functional group is aldehyde. So 2-methyl propanol. Next compound, common name is acrolein, and to give the IUPAC name, first use longest chain rule 1, 2 and 3. Give the numbering from CHO group to get lowest possible number. There are 3 carbon atoms. So this is a derivative of propane, and double bond is present after second carbon. So prop 2 in and CHO group is present at first carbon. So IUPAC name is prop2 in Al. Next compound CHO. Common name is glyoxal or oxaldehyde. This is a derivative of ethane which contains 2 carbon atoms. So IUPAC name is ethane and 2 aldehyde groups are present. Dial, ethane dial. This is IUPAC name of this. Next compound, common name benzaldehyde and IUPAC name also benzaldehyde, or CHO group is present or directly attached with the benzene. So benzene carbaldehyde. Next compound, common name orthotolualdehyde. Orthotolualdehyde means with respect to this toluene, CHO group is present or aldehyde group is present at ortho position. So orthotolualdehyde, this is common name, and IUPAC name is given by using CHO as a parent compound. So with respect to CHO or aldehyde group, methyl group is present at second carbon atom. So IUPAC name of this compound 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Next compound, common name is salicylaldehyde which is derivative of salicylic acid, and with respect to this CHO group, OH is present at second position. So IUPAC name 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Next compound, common name is phthalaldehyde. Phthalaldehyde. And IUPAC name is benzene 1,2 hyphen dicarbaldehyde. Two CHO groups are present in this compound. If two CHO groups or aldehyde groups are present, then this suffix di is used and carbaldehyde is used. But these two CHO groups are present in this compound at first and second position. So benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde This is IUPAC name of this compound. Next example of aldehyde, in which this CHO group is attached with alicyclic ring. Alicyclic compound in which CHO group is attached directly to the ring is named as carbaldehyde. And the common name of this compound is cyclohexane aldehyde. This is cyclohexane and this is aldehyde. Cyclohexane aldehyde. And the IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. This part cyclohexane and aldehyde group called as carbaldehyde. So IUPAC name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Next part, the IUPAC name of aliphatic carboxylic acids. First compound, common name formic acid, and IUPAC name methanoic acid. This compound contains only one carbon atom. So this methanoic acid name is obtained from the parent compound methane. This E is replaced by oic acid. So IUPAC name becomes methanoic acid. Second compound, common name acetic acid, which contains two carbon atoms. So IUPAC name ethanoic acid. Third compound, common name propionic acid, and IUPAC name propanoic acid. Next compound, which contains 4 carbon atom, and common name is N-butyric acid. IUPAC name butanoic acid. Next compound, structure of this compound is represented in this way. This is straight chain of carbon which contains 3 carbon atom in this straight chain, and this CH3 group or methyl group is present at the second position. But in the common name, next to this carboxyl group, the carbon atom is called as alpha carbon and the next carbon atom is called as a beta carbon. Common name of this compound is isobutyric acid. Isobutyric. This iso part, isopropyl part, and one carbon in the form of acid, so isobutyric acid. And another common name of this compound, alpha methyl propionic acid. This is alpha carbon, methyl group is present at alpha carbon and 1, 2, 3 propionic acid, alpha methyl propionic acid. And the IUPAC name of this compound two methyl propanoic acid, because at the second carbon atom methyl group is present. So IUPAC name 2-methyl propanoic acid. Next compound, common name is acrylic acid, and to give the IUPAC name, see the structure in which there are 3 carbon atoms in this compound in the straight chain, and double bond is present after second carbon atom, and carboxyl group is present at the terminal or numbered as the first carbon atom. So IUPAC name of this compound is prop 2 in oic acid. Prop for 3 carbon atom, 2 for position of double bond, and oic acid. Next compound, common name oxalic acid, and in this compound there are 2 carbon atoms. So the base for this compound is ethane, and 2 carboxyl groups are present. So suffix di is used, and oic acid. So the IUPAC name becomes ethane dioic acid. Next compound, common name benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid, and IUPAC name benzoic acid. Next compound, common name orthotoluic acid. With respect to this toluene, carboxyl group is present at the ortho position, and to give the IUPAC name, carboxyl and methyl 2 functional groups are present. So the numbering is given from carboxyl group because of alphabetically carboxyl come first. So IUPAC name is 2-methyl benzoic acid. Next compound, common name salicylic acid, and IUPAC name 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. With respect to carboxyl group, hydroxyl group is present at second position. Next compound, common name is phthalic acid, and 2 carboxyl groups are present with respect to ortho position. So IUPAC name is benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid or benzene 1,2 dioic acid. Next compound which contains cyclohexane and one carboxyl group is directly attached with the cyclohexane. So common name cyclohexyl carboxylic acid and IUPAC name cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Substituted aromatic aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Higher priority group is given lower number. Consider this example. IUPAC name is 2-formyl benzoic acid. This carboxyl group is given first priority and CHO group or aldehyde group as a second priority. Means parent compound is benzoic acid. So IUPAC name of this compound becomes 2-formyl benzoic acid. Second example. IUPAC name 4-hydroxy-3-methyl benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde is used as a parent compound. Means highest priority group is aldehyde. So lower number is given to aldehyde 1, 2, 3 and 4. So IUPAC name becomes 4-hydroxy-3-methyl benzaldehyde. Consider this third example. Carboxyl group, hydroxyl group and methyl group are present. Carboxyl group is higher priority group. So first carbon atom, second, third, fourth. In this way number is given to the carbon atom in benzene. So IUPAC name 3-hydroxy-4-methyl benzoic acid. Alphabetical order of substituents with its position is represented in this IUPAC name. Trivial and IUPAC names of ketones. Trivial names or common names. While giving the common name, following things are important. Names of alkyl or aryl groups are written in alphabetical order, followed by the word ketone. Substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta, gamma. The carbon atom adjacent to carbonyl group is labeled as alpha and next one is beta and so on. The IUPAC names are given by using following rules. Aliphatic ketones named by replacing ending E of alkane with ONE. They are named as alkanones. When two CO groups are present, then ending E of alkane is retained by the suffix -one. Nomenclature of the compounds. First compound, common name dimethyl ketone or acetone. These are the two methyl groups attached with the ketonic group. And the compound contains totally 3 carbon atoms. Means the parent is propane. This E is replaced by ONE and the IUPAC name becomes propanone. Nomenclature of compound, common name acetone or dimethyl ketone. These two methyl groups are attached with the ketone functional group. And the compound contains 3 carbon atom and 1 ketone group is present. So parent is propane. This E is replaced by ONE and the compound name becomes propanone. This is IUPAC name. Next compound, parent compound is butane and E is replaced by ONE. IUPAC name becomes butanone and general name or common name ethyl methyl ketone. Next compound, N-propyl and methyl. These two alkyl groups are attached alphabetically. Methyl first, then N-propyl. So common name methyl N-propyl ketone. And ketone group is present after first carbon atom. So IUPAC name pentan 2-ONE. E is replaced by ONE and position of ketone group. So IUPAC name pentan 2-ONE. Next compound, 2 ethyl groups are present. So diethyl ketone is a common name and IUPAC name pentan 3-ONE because ketone group is present at third carbon atom. Next compound, common name alpha bromo ethyl N-propyl ketone. This is ketone group. With respect to this ketone group, first carbon is named as alpha. So alpha bromo ethyl and this complete alkyl group becomes ethyl and N-propyl ketone. So this common name alpha bromo ethyl N-propyl ketone. And IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 carbon atoms are present. Halogen bromo group is present at second carbon and and ketone group is present at third carbon. So IUPAC name 2-bromo hexane 3-one. Next compound, general name or common name is macetyl oxide. To give the IUPAC name, see the structure. give the numbering to the carbon in the straight chain or longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ketone group is present at second carbon. Double bond is present after third carbon. Methyl substituent is present at fourth carbon. Take the alphabetical order of substituents. So IUPAC name becomes 4-methyl pent 3-in 2-one. Parent contains 5 carbon atom and substituent at fourth carbon atom, and methyl substituent is present. So IUPAC name becomes 4-methyl pent 3-in 2-one. Next compound, no common name and which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms, and ketone group 2 times. So dione is added to the name of parent ketone, indicating the locants of ketonic carbonyl group. So parent hexane and ketone group is present at second and fourth position. So hexane 2,4 dione. This is IUPAC name of the compound. Next compound, no common name, and to give the IUPAC name, structure, see the structure CH3CO, CH2, CHO. Longest chain of carbon atom, CHO aldehyde is highest priority group. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering is given. At third position, ketonic group is present called as oxo group. So IUPAC name becomes 3-oxo 1, 2, 3, 4 butanal. 3-oxo butanal. Next compound, common name benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. This is first phenyl, this is second phenyl. Diphenyl ketone. And IUPAC name benzophenone. Next compound, which contains methyl and phenyl, 2 functional groups or alkyl groups attached with the ketonic functional group. So common name methyl phenyl ketone. Another one common name acetophenone. This is acetophenone. And IUPAC name is also acetophenone. Next compound, which contains multifunctional groups, ketone, chloro, methyl. So no common name. And this ring is alicyclic ring. In alicyclic ketones, carbonyl carbon is numbered as a 1. So 1, 2 and 3, 4. This way numbering is given. See 1, 2, 3 and 4. At first position ketone is present. At second position chloro group is present. At fourth position methyl group is present. So IUPAC name becomes 2-chloro 4-methyl cyclohexanone. This highest priority group is represented at the last. So 2-chloro 4-methyl cyclohexanone. This is an IUPAC name of the compound.